So, kung ikaw ay laundry business owner, this app can help inform your customer na ready na yung laundry nila. So, this app guys is no need to download and can be accessed via browsers. So, paano ba siya ginagamit? Halimbawa, meron tayong si customer 1, ito sa kanya nasa left side, ilalagay niya lang kung anong pangalan niya and yung contact number niya. So, then generate QR. So pag tinanong tayo ng center wants to show you notification, so allow lang natin. Then once na-allow na, magkakaroon tayo ng QR. So ito na yung QR natin na i-scan natin bilang business owner. So pipicturein ko lang to guys. Itong kabila naman, siya naman yung mag-scan ng QR natin. So let's scan that. Okay guys. Ngayon, i-scan natin yung QR. At na-scan mo na yung data ng customer mo. Ngayon, sa contacts natin, makikita natin yung list ng customers natin. Through that, we can notify them. So, kung ikaw is nasa browser ng phone, you can click SMS. Then, sa notification, click notify, sending notification. Hello, marker laundry is now ready for pickup. Then, okay, so na-receive na ni client. So, working din to siya guys, kahit naman nasa background, kahit patayin ni user or ni customer yung browser niya. So, basta may internet lang na naka-active, once na nag-send tayo ng notification, is marireceive pa rin niya. So, yun lang guys, and let's check sa mga susunod natin na video. Thank you. Bye for now.